Today I'm basically going to be a mechanic because of this little shit right here chewing through my seat belts in my car. So we're going to be fixing the rear left today, and then hopefully if these guys fit we'll be able to get the right as well today. Now because my car is from '89 and it's a Honda sedan, it has been extremely hard to find these seat belts. So let's get into it. Let's go! Okay, so now I've got to remember how we get this out. I've already done that one, or taking it out. But this one, so from memory we have to take out the seats. And yes, that's filthy because of that dog over there again. But yeah, so I'm going to start by removing the seats. It's like stuck to the... It's ancient. There's like a groove left where it was. What is that? A little clip. Alright. Wow. That like... Is it a washer? It's like stuck to it. Oh my god. Yeah, maybe we should vacuum this first. How's this off? Alright. Ketchup. I think that's off a lighter. It's like it says Beck on it. And then... I don't know, a lolly wrapper? Alright, let's go get the vacuum. Good enough, perfect. This is already loose. I don't think I touched the side. Pro tip, I guess. Put your nuts and bolts in a box so you don't lose them. Okay, just unclips as so. Oh, there we go. Clip Oh yeah. Come from the top, not the bottom. Look how nice he's sitting. It was coming off, and then I got it wedged. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little wedge there. There we go. Ooh. It's all coming off now. Oh, there we go. There's the twist. Wait. So can I like take this back if I can untwist this? Oh my god. And I might not even have to replace it. That will save me so much money. Come on, twist back. There we go. Snoozy loose. Oh! Is she streamlining now? Streamlining. Do you remember how this was on? I forgot. Was it this way? Because if it was, that would explain the twist. Oh god. Hopefully you recorded that. Alright, let's review it. Alright, after some careful reviewing of the footage, it goes this way. So, hopefully, if this actually works, then I will not have to get... Oh, what? If this works, I can take this back and just get the one side, and that'll save me like $150. Alright, I think I can just take that back and that's fine like that. I think we are good. Gotta get this bit. Yeah. Clip all these back in. Cool. So this is raring to go, so let's take this back off. Oh, and yeah. Alright, so we can go take that back, and hopefully they'll have the right side in stock now, and hopefully we can get our money back. Get out of my face! Oh my god! Little pit stop for this guy to get his little run around in the doggo park. So we're back. We got the noose. Oh my god, to the right. And we gave back the left, which was good because we got $155 back, but then these ones cost more, so it cost $180, so I guess, yeah. But at least it wasn't like $300 and something total, it would have been. But yeah, so let's start taking this stuff back off. Right side now. Probably should be sitting on that now. And then hopefully it'll be easy because I already took the right side off because that one was really bad. Extension. Because we don't have an extension grip. So put it all back on without the seatbelt because turns out we need an extension bracket. So gonna try and find one